2018 Volkswagen Passat SE with technology pack. Hi everyone, Cory Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me show you this black car. Well, of course it's black, you can see black pearl car. Beautiful. Aftermarket rims on it. We just put brand new tires on it. It's fully inspected. It comes with factory warranty. It has the corn silk interior, heated seats front and rear. Got the moonroof, remote start, 39,000 miles, touchscreen navigation, heated seats again, front and rear. Yeah, just a really nice car, low miles. I bought it from a local owner. You can see how that color kind of changes. It's awesome. Love it. Aftermarket rims again. Yeah, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. We don't have that garbage. Yeah, anyway, come and see it. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramAuto.com. I'm so used to doing these big luxury SUVs and trucks that have a million options. This car's not downloaded. It just doesn't have all the stuff I usually talk about. So come and see it. Autorama Auto Sales, Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramAuto.com.